Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix speaker not working on your Motorola Moto G06 Power. So first, what you guys want to do is check the volume levels in these settings and the sound. So let's go over to these settings, and here let's scroll down to sound and vibration. Now here we have our media volume, the call volume, ring, notification and alarm. So the only one we're actually interested in is the media volume. And here I recommend turning it all the way up. It's totally up to you. You guys can also do that from the main page by just clicking on the volume up button right here. So now our media volume is all the way to the max, as you guys can see. And this is what we want. Now, if this does not fix the issue, then the issue may be in your speaker, which may be basically dirt, debris, or anything else. So we have our speaker right here. Now we want to make sure that it's clean, and if it's not, and you guys can definitely see that without any flashlight or something, then what I would recommend to do is go over and clean it up with a soft brush or compressed air. But in my opinion, the soft brush does it much better. Now, after that, it may not be an issue with your speaker after all, because it may be the Bluetooth. Now, when we go into the settings and we're gonna go over to connected devices, then we wanna make sure that our Bluetooth is either disabled or that no device is connected to our phone, because sometimes our audio may be rerouted to anything else, like your headphones, car, or basically anything else. So, as you guys can see, the Bluetooth is on and we can see that it turned blue. Now we want to go over and click that off so it turns like grayish, yellowish, and now we are sure that the audio isn't rerouted anywhere else. So, what you guys want to do next is update your software. It's also very important, and if this doesn't help, then the last resort is a factory reset. So go back to the main page of the settings and scroll down until you guys see the system updates. It's right here, it's almost at the bottom, and now we want to click check for updates. As you guys can see, everything looks good for me and I'm running the latest version of the software, but if you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it because it can fix a lot of issues, including your speaker not working. And as a last resort, what you guys can do is scroll a bit down, go over to system and click reset options and erase all data, which is the factory reset. Now we want to click erase all data and enter our PIN if we have one. And after that, we will be able to delete everything. But remember, if you haven't backed up your phone yet, then you will delete all of your information. So personal information, downloaded apps, photos, and etc. So make sure to back it up first. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.